When I first attended the SLOAN STEM Camp, I was about 7 or 8. We got to do a bunch of different activities involving engineering, and I just thought that mechanics and toys, that was a great opportunity to have fun. I am looking to go into biomedical engineering. I think that the field that I specifically want to go into is creating prosthetics for people who have disabilities, and I think connecting people with a part of themselves that they may have lost by an accident or just a health reason, I think that is just a beautiful part of something that I want to do.
One of the things a lot of people don't ever realize is that a vision means you need support. That is support with what you may be thinking, what you may be processing, but also financially.
I have been eyeing a few colleges. One specifically would be either Columbia or University of San Diego. They have a really good biomedical program. It's one of the top in the nation, and I think that I'd just be a great fit there.
And Dr. Timothy Sloan and the Luke Church has always been my biggest supporter. He has made sure that whatever it seemed, as crazy it may be, he said, okay, whatever it looked like and whatever financially it may have been, he found a way to support. And so I want to tell him thank you, because over and over again, you've been there and you've made a difference. And that is what legacy living is about.